Hey there, coding enthusiast, ever wondered why Python is called Python? Is it because of the slithering snake, or is there more to the story? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the fascinating history of Python's name. Contrary to what you might think, Python isn't named after the snake, but after the legendary British comedy group, Monty Python. Yes, the same Monty Python that brought us the Ministry of Silly Walks and the Dead Parrot sketch. Now, you might be wondering, why Monty Python? Well, it turns out that Guido van Rossum, the brilliant mind behind Python, was a fan of the group. When he set out to create a new programming language, he needed a name that was unique, memorable, and, of course, a bit quirky. Guido, being a fan of Monty Python's surreal and humorous style, decided to pay homage to his favorite comedy group by naming his creation Python. And thus, a programming language with a sense of humor was born.